Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Every week, our goal is to bring you a highly useful tool or an informative video that showcases one of our powerful Excel solutions. For the past 16 years, we've built over 50 tools that have significantly helped our users by automating processes, reducing human error, and making daily tasks much easier. We're proud to have around 7,500 happy customers who rely on our tools to perform various tasks efficiently. Check out our Google reviews to hear what our clients have to say about our tools. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to a unique tool that, to our knowledge, is the only one of its kind in Excel, a Google Maps Store Locator. This tool is designed to match a list of customers with a list of stores or service providers based solely on their locations. Let us show you exactly how it works. First, a quick disclaimer. All our tools are built directly in Excel, so there's nothing extra to install. You simply need to have a desktop version of Excel installed on your system. Additionally, this tool uses the Google Maps API to generate driving distances and perform geocoding, which is essential for calculations. If you haven't set up your Google Maps API key yet, don't worry. We have a video guide linked in the description that walks you through the process. It's extremely easy and takes just about 5 minutes. Now, let's dive into the tool itself. Imagine you have a list of customers, whether it's 5 or 5,000, and a list of your stores or service providers. The tool will automatically match each customer to the closest store based on their location. Using the tool is straightforward. You simply enter your customer list, including names and addresses, and your store list with their addresses. While including names for customers and stores is helpful for identification, it's not strictly necessary as the tool can handle the matching based on addresses alone. Once your data is in place, you just click the Calculate button, and the tool does the rest, matching each customer to their nearest store and providing all the relevant distance and time information. For example, you can see that customer 1 is closest to store 10, customer 2 to store 6, and so on and so forth. The tool will calculate the straight line distance, driving distance, and it'll also give you the driving time. As easy as that. What sets Excel Distance Calculators apart is our commitment to simplicity and customer support. If you ever have any questions or need assistance, feel free to call us directly. Unlike many companies that rely on answering services or callbacks, we personally take your calls and are happy to help. You can also reach out via email or use the live chat feature on our website to get in touch with us. Here's our phone number and email address, and you can also find them in the description below. To get started with the Google Maps Store Locator tool, simply click the link in the description below to download it. We're confident that this tool will save you time and make managing your store locations much easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tools. Thanks again, and until next time, have a fantastic day.